Okay, quick question. When I say Amazon, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Is it Jeff Bezos laughing in his rocket? Or maybe the packages that mysteriously show up at your door even though you swore you were just window shopping last night? Well, here's the thing. Amazon isn't just about shopping carts and Prime delivery. Oh no, it's way bigger, crazier, and weirder than you think. So today, let's dig into some surprising facts about Amazon. The stuff you probably didn't know, but once you hear it, you won't be able to stop thinking about it. Number 1. Amazon didn't start as Amazon. Back in 1994, Jeff Bezos almost named the company Cadabra. Yes, like abracadabra. The problem? People kept hearing it as cadaver. Imagine ordering your school supplies from cadaver.com. Creepy, right? So Bezos ditched the spooky vibes and went with Amazon because it starts with A, shows up first in alphabetical lists, and the Amazon River is huge. You know, just like his plans for the company. Number 2. Amazon's first office was a garage. Ah yes, the cliched billionaire origin story. Bezos and his team literally worked in his Seattle garage with a desk made out of a door. Not a fancy designer desk, not even IKEA, just a door with legs screwed on. Today, Amazon is worth over $1 trillion. Moral of the story, forget high-end furniture. Just screw some legs on a door and call it a day. Number 3. The first product Amazon sold was AI. Most people think Amazon started with books only. True, that was the main focus, but the very first product actually sold on Amazon was a book about artificial intelligence. So technically, Amazon has been plotting robot world domination since day one. And now we have Alexa listening to our private conversations? Coincidence? I think not. Number 4. Amazon has its own secret police. This one sounds like a Netflix series, but it's true. Amazon has its own security and investigation teams that track down counterfeiters, scammers, and shady sellers. They even do undercover operations. Imagine Jeff Bezos in a trench coat with sunglasses whispering, "Follow that package." Okay, maybe not Bezos himself, but still, Amazon's basically running its own detective agency. Number 5. Amazon owns way more than you think. Sure, you know about Audible and Whole Foods, but did you know Amazon also owns Twitch? Yup, the streaming platform where people watch other people play video games for hours. They also own Zappos, IMDb, Ring doorbells, and even robot vacuum companies. At this point, Amazon isn't just selling us stuff, it's watching us, filming us, and probably vacuuming our living rooms. Number 6. Amazon Web Services runs half the internet. This one is wild. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is like the invisible backbone of the internet. Netflix, Airbnb, NASA, and even the CIA use it. So if Amazon Web Services ever goes down, say goodbye to your movie night, your hotel booking, and maybe even national security. No pressure, Jeff. Number 7. Amazon warehouses are basically mini cities. You've seen warehouses before, right? Now imagine one the size of 15 football fields. Amazon warehouses are so huge that employees sometimes walk miles in a single shift just to pick items. And here's the kicker. Some warehouses use robots that zip around carrying shelves. It's like Wall-E, but with delivery deadlines. Number 8. Amazon once delivered a package by drone. Yup, they've tested drones delivering packages right to your yard. The first official drone delivery was in the UK, a bag of popcorn and a Fire TV stick. Not medicine, not groceries, popcorn. Priorities, people. Number 9. Amazon has a patent for hand recognition payments. Forget credit cards. Amazon is working on technology that lets you pay just by waving your hand. It scans your palm and boom, you're charged. Cool? Yes. Creepy? Also yes. Imagine explaining that to your grandma. Don't worry, Nana. Just slap your hand on the scanner. It's basically a high five with a robot. Number 10. Jeff Bezos makes more in a minute than most people do in a year. And finally, the money fact. At one point, Bezos was making over $150,000 every single minute. That means while you were watching this video, he could have bought a luxury car without even noticing. Meanwhile, I'm still debating whether I should splurge on extra guac at Chipotle. So yeah, Amazon isn't just an online store. It's a garage startup turned global empire with robots, drones, secret police, and enough money to buy small countries. What do you think? Amazing, terrifying, or a bit of both? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe if you want more fun and surprising stories, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. And hey, if you've got your own weird Amazon story, like when your package showed up in the neighbor's tree, share it in the comments. We might feature it in a future video.